Yeah. Oh yeah.
Does it need a psychiatrist?
The program freezes sometimes after a very long amount of time. So I wanted to tell you that.
Do you have an idea why that might be?
I don't.
So what are these controls?
Kirk Ann thought it was just information overflow, but what do these controls do? This is a joystick which controls the equilibrium orientation of the drone. It's color coordinated, and this is the throttle. It controls the mean throttle of the four motors, and these two LED indicators. This blinks as the drone is calibrating, as the gyro is calibrating. So don't touch the drone when it's blinking. This is a pulse width modulator that brightens as the error increases and dims as it decreases. This is an abort button, and this turns off the feedback loop and sets all of the thrusts to be equal. And these two switches control outputs onto the serial monitor. This will turn on angular reading outputs, and this will turn on ESC thrust outputs. So you can look at those. And if you want, we can start by calibrating the gyro and getting it going. You'll hear some beeping coming from the ESCs. That's when we calibrate the servo signals to the ESCs, because they work within like a certain servo range to know what is absolute high, what is absolute low. And you'll observe here it's blinking, and that's because it's taking its time calibrating that gyro to set the omegas of 0. And I'll start with the thrust of 0. We'll make up, and there's a sweet spot. And one of the biggest issues is the gyro digression, and I can't make my acceleration term too large without it becoming too squirrely. But you can observe it. It's pretty fun to play with the joystick and tilt it about. But now it seems to think that this way is up. So you can try to just put a little weight on it. See if it comes back to up. Yep, and you can actually like hear the integration part of the feedback loop coming into play as it is still not returning after you put on the weight, and it needs to go. Maybe it'll take it off and overshoot, and hopefully it'll die down and come back a little. But it doesn't seem to want to. Not quite. And we can take a peek at our angular readouts. Dr. Baldwin. Okay. It thinks it's spot on right now. It thinks it's at 1 degree of pitch and 1 degree of roll. Pitch being positive this way and roll being positive that way.